You want to start Forex and you're thinking if you can start trading without money? Or maybe you've been learning and practicing trading for a while and now you want to see the conditions of live trading. But you don't want to do that with your own money. Or you might be around trading for quite a while and know how to trade profitably. But you don't have enough money and are looking for opportunities to build up your account. Whatever category you're in, you're gonna find some answers for your questions in this video. Hey everyone, this is David from Offbeat Forex. In this video we are going to see how you can trade in Forex and CFD markets without investing or spending your own money. First, assume that you are a complete newbie looking for starting Forex, but you are wondering if you have to invest money in the first place. We're not exactly talking about learning how to trade. If you want to know how to start learning Forex, there is a large post on my blog where I explain the ways you can do that, both starting for free and paid options. But if you want to know whether you can practice trading without spending money or not, the answer is yes, you can. All the brokers in this industry offer them accounts so that you can practice without any risk. You don't need to pay any money or any types of subscription fee for having demo accounts. And you can open as many demo accounts as you desire. However, some brokers have time limit for demo accounts. For example, the demo account will expire after 1 month, and you need to open another one if you want. If you want to open a demo account, there are lots of brokers on my blog that you can choose from. Just go to the broker's website and find demo account and register. You'll be given a login and password that you need to enter in your trading platform. You don't even need to download trading platform in most cases, because most brokers have the web version of trading platforms. Just enter your login and password and start practicing. Let's talk about the second category. You've been trading in my accounts for a while and now want to experience trading with real money. However, you're not confident enough to deposit money to your trading account. Well, you can start your real trading risk-free without spending a dime. There are some Forex and CFD brokers that try to attract new clients by offering them free money, or as we know them in Forex, no deposit bonus. You only need to register and then request the bonus. If you haven't received the bonus of that broker so far, you'll be given that after the requesting. I talked about no deposit bonus and the brokers that offer them in another video. You can find the link in the description below or just click on this bar. Okay guys, now let's see where you can find more money, especially if you know how to trade well. Some Forex brokers hold demo contests. Everyone can participate in them without spending any money or paying any entry fees. If you think you are good at trading, you can prove it and win prizes. The prizes are distributed to the top contestants based on brokers' prize structures. Some brokers give prizes to top 3 contestants, while others distribute the prize pool to 10, 20, or even more contestants. These demo contests are held daily, weekly, and monthly. So there are a lot of opportunities for you to participate in many of them and increase your chance of winning one or some of them. I made a thorough video about these kinds of contests and the brokers that offer them. You can find the link in the description below, or you can press this bar and go to the video. Those were the ways that you can trade Forex or CFDs without investing or spending any of your own money. They definitely won't make you rich and don't bring you a lot of money, but it might be a good start for the people who want to experience real trading with no risk. I hope you've liked this video. Don't forget to press the like button. That way you help me make more videos like this and help YouTube algorithm to show this video to more people.